Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I want to talk about my hobbies. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have a few hobbies. A hobby is something we enjoy in our free time. Hobbies help us relax and feel happy. They also help us learn and enjoy life more. One hobby I love is reading. I like to read in the evening. I sit in a quiet place with a cup of tea. I read short stories and easy books. Sometimes I read news or travel articles. Reading helps me learn new English words. It also helps me feel calm after a busy day. Another hobby I enjoy is drawing. I like to draw when I feel free and relaxed. I use pencils and colored pens. I draw simple pictures like flowers, trees, and houses. I do not try to be perfect. Drawing helps me express my feelings. It makes me feel peaceful inside. I also enjoy listening to music. Music is part of my daily life. I listen to music in the morning and at night. I listen when I cook or clean. I like soft and slow music. Sometimes I sing along quietly. Music makes me feel happy and full of energy. Cooking is another hobby I like. I usually cook on weekends. I make easy meals like rice, pasta, or soup. I enjoy cutting vegetables and mixing food. Cooking makes me feel proud. I feel happy when I share food with others. I also like walking outside. There is a small park near my home. I walk there in the evening. I enjoy the fresh air and green trees. Sometimes I walk alone. Sometimes I walk with a friend. Walking helps my body and my mind. In the evening, I sometimes write in a notebook. I write about my day. I write about my thoughts and feelings. Writing helps me understand myself better. It is a quiet and peaceful habit. Sometimes I do two hobbies together. I listen to music while cooking.
La la la, feeling good today, cooking up a sunny day.
I write new words after reading. Hobbies can be simple, but they are very important. I believe everyone should have a hobby. It does not need to be special. It just needs to make you happy. Hobbies help us enjoy life more. These are my hobbies. I enjoy reading, drawing, listening to music, cooking, walking, and writing. What about you? What are your hobbies?
Let me know in the comments what you like to do in your free time.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.